Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore how to control who can see your email address on your LinkedIn profile using the LinkedIn app on your phone. Managing your email visibility is important for privacy and professional networking. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. Next, look for the section labeled Who can see or download your email address. Here, you will find multiple options for controlling your email visibility. You can choose Only Visible to Me if you want complete privacy. Selecting first-degree connections will allow only your direct connections to see your email. Choosing first and second-degree connections extends visibility to your connections and their connections. Finally, selecting anyone on LinkedIn will make your email visible to all LinkedIn users. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.